Hi, my name's Diane. I'm going to demonstrate some of the Wolf equipment today in this lovely showroom of the Handmade Kitchen Company. I'm Nick's wife, so it's a family concern going on, and at the moment I've got in the warming drawer some Focaccia bread that I got up very early this morning and prepared. So I'm going to show you the warming drawer first, which is over here. This is the Wolf warming drawer. I've got it on proving mode. As you can see, the bread's, well, you can't see because you didn't see it originally, but it has doubled in size. The warming drawer is an amazing piece of equipment, not just for warming plates, but you can defrost things in it and obviously keep food warm like an old-fashioned hostess, really. Terrific bit of equipment. I'm going to leave it on because it's after I've done the next stage. I'm going to put it back in there. So we're kneading the bread just slightly after, knock the air out of it and knead it up, ready for the next stage, which is going to go into a tin, a right shaped tin, which is I've already lined and put some oil in. So that's going in there, and I'm going to push that in to the corners. Spread it right out, you can see what I'm doing there. I'm spreading it right out into the corners. I'm going to cover that up with some cling film. So I've covered that with cling film, and I'm going to put it back in the proving drawer, or the warming oven, or warming drawer I should say, to prove for another hour. And then we'll continue that one a little bit later. That's how you turn the Wolf induction hob on. And in here I'm going to put the onions for the bread, just to soften them up. I'm a massive convert to induction hobs, mainly because it's so easy to keep clean and they're so safe, because once you take the pan off it just turns itself off, which is wonderful, especially if you've got children. Terrific safety feature. I don't know if you can hear it come back on again. Listen. Off. Oh, it's brilliant. So I'm just warming up my oil. Just going to turn it down slightly. I'm going to put the onions in while I talk to you about the induction hob. Heats up immediately. As you can see, no warming up. I'm going to turn it down a bit because it's too high. Another great feature of the induction hob is you can't really see from the camera, but you've got 4 rings here which are just slightly indented onto the glass, and a really big one here, that's the big pan. What you can also do, you can join them together. So if you've got a long pan or a huge big oval pan, you can put these 2 on together and join them. Not just there, but also here, here, here and here. It's terrific. It's a terrific piece of equipment. We have a extractor fan that comes up here too, which we could demonstrate, maybe, if the cameraman would like to walk around here. Right. Here's the extractor fan coming up, which is lovely if you don't want an overhead extractor. It's great fun, particularly in a tall building like this. The fan can go on, and it just sucks the smells and the steam away automatically. It's a terrific piece of equipment, very space age, lovely if you like gadgets, as I know most men do. That's how that works. Finish off the bread, you literally poke little holes in all over the bread, like so. Not quite to the bottom because you don't want anything running out of the bottom, but almost to the bottom. We're going to get our oil, which is just a little bit of oil and water and salt. And we're just going to drizzle that all over the bread into the holes, like so. And into the little holes, I'm going to put some sticks of rosemary. Make it look pretty and taste nice. Bit of cling film again, that'll be okay. I'm just going to pop into the proving oven again for 15 minutes. Here it goes. I'm going to take the bread out of the proving drawer. Well, it's a warming drawer that I'm using as a proving drawer. The oven also has a proving mode. It's just nice to use a piece of equipment. So for the bread, we're going to put it on bake mode. Bake mode 205. There it is. And push start. It's preheating. Some residual heat in there from the last thing I cooked, so it won't take long to get there. Once it gets to 205, it will bleep. I will put it on rack position 3, which is the rack's already on position 3, and I'll put the bread in the oven for 25 minutes. So the oven is now up to temperature. It bleeps to remind you that it's got to temperature. I'll put the bread into the oven and put the timer on. I'm going to put the timer on for 15 minutes because I'm going to sprinkle some salt after 15 minutes. Set the timer and it will count down till it gets to 15 minutes time. I'm going to sprinkle some salt on and then put it back in for another 25 minutes. The oven's about to go off after its first 15-minute timer. There it is. So I'm just going to turn that timer off, open the oven up and sprinkle some salt on my bread. As you can see, it's starting to look really tasty. This is just chunky sea salt going on. And I'm going to put the timer on for another 20 minutes. And just to check it, it's 20 to 25 minutes, so I'm going to put the timer on for 20 minutes, set that, and off it goes to a countdown. And we'll check it then. We may need a few more minutes, so we'll see how we go on. So I'm going to take the bread out of the oven, turn the oven off, see what it looks like. It looks delicious. Rosemary, red onion, focaccia. That's good.